Hi, this is Snatch Hatch from Booredatwork.com, and today we're looking at the Kanex multi-sync keyboard. This is a keyboard made exclusively for Mac. The biggest features on it are the number pad, which is exclusives to Kanex. They're the only ones that make a Mac-only keyboard with the number pad, as well as it can link 3 Bluetooth devices and 1 USB device. So let's show you how to get this set up for Bluetooth. We flip it over, you can see the USB port here. It also comes with 2 AAA batteries, which are right in here. That's how it gets powered. You can power it either with batteries or USB. So we switch it on here and then hit the button for connectivity there. Then we go to our Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth on, and open Bluetooth preferences. Let's search for devices. Here it is. Pops right up, and then you can pair, and you can see it pops up as connected. Now, close this out. You can type here, and it works just as normal like any other keyboard, just like your normal laptop keyboard would. One of the other great features of this is, with it being a Mac keyboard, it has all the Mac shortcut screens here. So you can go through, turn up the brightness of your screen. You can go over here and play music right from there. It's going to take a moment because I have it playing off a hard drive right now. You skip songs, mute, volume up, volume down. Or say you had your iPhone and you got a text message, you'd be able to hook your iPhone up and go to Bluetooth number 2 just as quick as can be. You can see where it said connection lost. It would be connecting to your iPhone or your iPad. You can connect up to 3 Mac devices all at once and be able to switch between them all. Savage Fire did get to use this. He has more Mac devices than I do, and said it was excellent to use. It had just a bit of a hitch. So when you hit the button to go to Bluetooth, it might take it a minute or two before it connects, or he said between 5 and 10 seconds before it connects. And then it basically works just like any other keyboard, which is ideal because if you were using a Mac and you want it to work exactly like your Mac keyboard would. You want it to be an extension of your keyboard. And that's what this will do. It allows you to work with an iMac, to work with a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, and be able to switch between your iPhone and all that without being able to hook it up, which is the key of being able to stay portable and wireless. Price point on this is $70, and it is being sold currently through Staples and Staples.com. So don't forget to subscribe to all of our pages on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. It's Bored at Work with 2 O's. So this is Snatch Hatch from Bored at Work saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.